As a property owner, one of your concerns is what type of fencing is better to safeguard your property. You may have noticed the different fencing options in your neighborhood. Although it is a traditional fencing material now, it is being disfavored due to high interest in metal fencing. Having a metal fence can benefit your home. Not only will it add texture to the outside of your home, but it can also be a helpful deterrent for intruders and animals. Even if you live in an area where wood fences are common, a metal fence may be a great option for you. If you have small yards, a metal fence will give you the advantage of having something visible and protective, but also keep your yard as open as possible. You can either make your own metal fencing or hire someone to do it for you. There are different metal fencing design options to choose from. Each of these options come with their own material type, material size and pattern. Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you a collection of modern metal fence design ideas for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. The main reason families install fencing around their homes is for security. If you have young children or pets, this is likely a concern for you. Since there are different metal fence patterns, the pattern you choose will affect the level of security you get. When you install a chain link fence, you can feel secure knowing that your children and pets can play outside safely and securely. Chain link is a great choice, especially versus wrought iron fencing, which could allow smaller animals to squeeze through. There are different factors which you need to consider when choosing your metal fence. Key parameters to consider include affordability of the fencing materials and ease of installation. Some metal fencing options are more affordable than others. For instance, chain link fencing is very affordable, especially when you compare it to the cost of other types of fencing. Rather than using lots of material, a chain link fence uses thin wires crossed over to form a strong unit. By cutting down on material costs, these fences are much more affordable. Regarding installation, it is better to go for fences with easy and fast installation option. Quicker installation means less expensive. Additionally, should you need to replace your fence decades down the line, fences with easy installation are quick and simple to replace. If you are faced with a rare damage on your fence, easy install designs take just minutes to replace individual sections. Durability is also of paramount importance when choosing your fence design. Although most metal fencing options can last for years, the durability varies from design to design and from material to material. A metal fence that is protected using a powder or paint layer should stand the test of time. When you consider the long lifespan of a metal fence, the cost per year goes down considerably, thus making it an even more affordable investment in your home. As compared to other fencing options such as wood, metal fences require less maintenance. Traditional fencing made out of wood requires a significant amount of maintenance because wood will eventually rot, and its paint will peel. Metal fencing is made out of metal and coated with a powder to keep water out. Thus, it's protected from rusting. This barrier means that your metal fence is more like a man-made material than a natural metal, requiring practically no maintenance of any kind. Both chain link and wrought iron fences are available in a number of styles. Metal fences can look classical or modern, understated or ornamental. Metal fencing adapts easily to changes in the landscape, allowing property owners to avoid gaps and unusual transitions. This highly customizable material is a great way to make a statement with your fence. High-end buildings. A decorative wrought iron fence has an element of class, and can bring that to any home or garden. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting modern metal fence design ideas. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comments section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.